Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by confirming account details and enabling a map or exchange. This is what lets messages sync both ways. Once done, make sure you have passwords and two-factor methods ready. They speed authentication. Open the webmail or provider console, turn on a map and note server names and ports. These values matter for manual setup. Do this now so you won't stop later. Having recovery email or phone verified prevents lockouts during sync configuration. Next, configure each device: phone, tablet, laptop. Use the provider's official app if possible, or enable OAuth on third-party clients to avoid app passwords. For manual setup, enter email, password, IMAP/exchange server, port numbers, and choose SSL/TLS. Then set sync options: push versus fetch, sync intervals, and which folders inbox, sent, archive to synchronize. Once configured, let initial sync complete. Large mailboxes can take. Finally, verify synchronization by sending and receiving test messages and confirming folders match across devices. Make sure two-factor prompts appear where expected, and create app passwords if the client requires them. If messages don't show, check firewall, antivirus, and server status, then rebuild the client index or clear cache. As a last resort, remove and re-add the account. This often resolves lingering token or folder mapping issues. If problems persist, contact the provider with error codes and timestamps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.